MSTR stock analysis and MSTR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm just observing MicroStrategy stock, and this is more so like a swing approach for me, honestly, because I've been definitely kind of checking this ultimately like borderline every single day, like looking for this approach, but then it just kind of kept breaking the lows. Context, I have done 33, almost 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars in course and memberships. And just to beat MSCR right now, all I really wanted to see is like a proper shift, like something like this, and then I would have taken longs. But from what I saw, it's just completely just this red train, you know, that just never held low. And honestly, like there's nothing wrong with it, you know. This is gonna happen. It's not good or bad. It's just it just is. And if I see a double break though, like then and only then I'll buy. So there's going to be like a lot of waiting involved, so I'll definitely keep an eye on that, keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.